Outstanding.
Hello and welcome again to another tutorial video. It's your boy Eldorado. This is a Sean Paul type beat, and today we're going to deconstruct it. Let me show you how we come up with this, reggae, Latin, dancehall, reggaeton type of something. So without further ado, first we have a guitar loop here from Splice, and I added some effects to it, but this is what it sounds without the effect on it. However, as you can hear, the high Z sound, the little buzzing, and I needed a little bit more oomph to it. So what I did, I used Pro Q to take off the sub frequency and the extra high frequency decapitator to add a little bit more color to it and more saturated sound, and I compressed it, add more warmth to it, and this is what it actually sounds like with it on it. Not much changes to it, but it gets a warmer and thicker sound to me. Second on this list is a one shot that I recorded. Here is a one shot. I added some reverb to it, and I select the Cathedral preset as usual. And what I did too is T-Rock's room mic, and with the on the radio preset, Guitar Rig 5 with the Funky Wah Wah preset, and I pretty much use the mix level knob to blend it in with it, and that's why you hear it like this. But this is what it sounds like without it on it, and this is what it sounds like with it on it. This is what the melody looks like from the one shot. Next on this list is Groove Chord Arpeggiated Sound from Electra 2, and this is what the chord progression looks like, and this is what it sounds like. After that, I added a pad sound from X-Pan 2, a soft pad, and this is what it sounds like, and the chord progression with it also. In the beat, I added some sounds. I added a banjo roll. This is what it sounds like. I cut end of a drum loop, and this is what it sounds like. I recorded some vocals within FL Studio. This is my voice with some effect on it. The effect that I have on my voice is Auto-Tune EFX, Fruity Love filter. I scroll through a couple presets, Fruity Compressor to compress it a little bit, and Ozone Imager to make it a little bit more wider. Added a drum roll, and this is what it sounds like. I added 106 bass, my favorite bass from Trillion in Omnisphere, and this is what the progression looks like, and this is what it sounds like. This is the main drum pattern for the beat. I added some percussive sounds from battery to complement the likes of this beat. This is what the beat sounds like in context. nice beat, and I hope you're liking this beat also. So if you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment also. Subscribe if you haven't already, and select all post notification. And please do visit my website at eldoradoproductions.com for a bunch of goodies that is there for you. So thank you again for watching. Peace out.